Okay, so what we're basically trying to do now is to set up a suitable developer environment, and that should open really the way for contribution and to actually test if the contribution runs. Hannah is the test person here, who's setting it up and hopefully benefits from the new capabilities after that video. So we actually faced a couple of issues, and we want to show you the issues and exactly help you to set everything up on a Windows computer. So like we are starting usually now, like you should have PyPSA-Africa installed, and you do that, you know, with the git clone command. It's in the PyPSA-Africa repository. Hannah, can you show us the PyPSA-Africa repository?
Yep.
Yeah. And where this stuff is?
So basically then what I did was fork it directly to my account, and then I cloned it. So I'm not sure.
Exactly, yeah. Like usually if you want to contribute code, go on your fork and clone it from your fork. Can you open your fork?
Yeah. Let me open it from my account.
Your repositories? Yeah.
So here, exactly.
Okay.
This is.
And like what we see here, this branch is 74 commits behind. It's actually quite good that we see that as well. So to stay not on an old version, Hannah, we actually need to update regularly your repository. Okay.
Okay.
So what we need to click here now is actually fetch upstream. Yeah, that's it. Fetch
and we compare or fetch directly?
Let's just fetch directly.
Okay.
Fingers crossed that there's no merge conflict. Okay, that works. So
yeah.
actually, now you're really up to date with the original PyPSA-Africa or PyPSA-Earth version.
Mm-hmm.
And that's actually the version you should clone. Okay, anyways, that's not the goal of our demonstration now. So Hannah, you already cloned that, and can you just show us where you cloned it? Like you clicked here.
So should I show the folder then? It's a.
Or maybe like where you clone it. Like you click here on GitHub on.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So I think from here, and then I just copied the HTTPS and cloned it using the git bash.
Yeah. Awesome.
So maybe one second.
Like I think that's fine. Like we have the installation instruction for that, so it's good. Let's move to that VScode part, and maybe just explore that there's really a folder. So we are in. Do you have PyPSA-Africa there?
And then we'll open to the folder of PyPSA-Africa.
It takes a while.
Yeah, because I have it open on the other as well, so it's
okay.
now open twice. So yeah, that's the issue. Maybe I can close it from the other side.
Yeah.
Should I just?
Yeah. Kill the command.
Alright, let me just open it again from here then.
Awesome, yeah. like there's a little button on the top left next to the refresh button. Like there's PyPSA-Africa written.
Mm-hmm.
On this panel on the right, there's one more, right? Yeah. Click on that. Ah, that's a hack. Okay. So basically, I mean, what you can see here, we really have the PyPSA-Africa repository cloned now. And the goal was now to install PyPSA-Africa the environment. So on Windows, the command is also like conda activate PyPSA-Africa, and that's what we were trying to do here. Can you just show us like what's the error here, like when you do it? And yeah, a tip from Davide: we always stay like code in the CMD on a Windows computer.
I should show you how we open the terminal. Then we just click here and then new terminal. So I think. Exactly.
Yeah. That's how we get a terminal. Yeah. So now let's run into the error.
Yeah, so what he told me to do was just conda activate, and then basically then it does not recognize conda.
Yeah. And you also know the solution now, like what was the problem here?
The tested solution. So we got the path for Anaconda where it's installed. So I'll just copy it and then search on my Windows for environment, where it gives me then the edit the system environment variables, and it opens this. So it's in advanced, and then we go to environment variables, and then I have the option to either modify the variables for my user or just for all of the system variables. And again, as the Vida warned, I should not change the system variables. So just add it to the path. So I just double click on path and just click on new. So it gives me a new line, and I will add the Anaconda path to it. And then I'll add a second line so I can add the path to conda bin.
And like that's really apparent, the two paths you need to set on Windows to access the conda and the CMD. Okay, let's see if that works.
So now just press OK. It should all be saved. Okay, and then obviously you have to then open a new command prompt. And
now it should work. Please.
Oh no.
Not there yet. I think maybe just close VScode and just open it again.
Oh, yeah.
Like close the whole application.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, the terminal's already open.
Yeah. I will just open a new one anyhow.
Yeah.
Oh, it still doesn't.
It's also
yeah,
there it is. Awesome.
Under activate, and now it activates.
Okay. Yeah, and like once you can see here on the side the base stuff, then you know, okay, Anaconda is running here. What we would now do is install the environment, and I think you have a node ready.
Oh, yeah, I have.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I'll just have to get the repository again.
Yeah.
So go to the main repository.
I think you can also go on your fork. It should be there as well.
Ah, that's true. And this is the environment line, right?
Yes, exactly.
So I'll open again here, and I'll just paste it, but then I'll delete everything before conda.
Yeah. And then that's how you install it.
And hopefully then...
And then it just takes 5 minutes or 30 minutes. Yeah, with Windows it can really actually take some time. An error.
Yeah.
That should be an error.
The verification error.
Can you copy that and Google that error? Like, do you think, David, it's maybe a reason of old conda version? Maybe we need to update conda?
What's the version of conda?
Can you check it from here?
Help. Usually it's in help.
Oh, sure.
About
1.10.
2016.
Yeah.
I mean, personally, I'm a fan of mini conda instead of Anaconda, but that's a personal preference. By the prompt, you may try conda update conda. Close Anaconda directly.
Yeah. Can I do it here directly?
Yeah, conda update conda. Because it's the old one. You can do that, yeah, here.
Yeah. Does that mean that the environment installation does not work, or just a verification?
If it is a verification, it means that the file is corrupted. Secondly, we check if the environment has been installed. And if it has been installed, maybe we can install that package again. That will be the easiest. And anyway, even though we need to do the process again, it should be relatively faster. Unfortunately,
Okay,
PyPSA-Africa is quite big as a repo.
So for example, here we already have created the environment folder and all the YAML files are there.
Do not use the fixed or the docs.
Okay.
By the way, I think we can delete the fixed one.
Yeah, the fixed is kind of useless. I mean, it's good. No, it's good to keep, but it works only on Linux. Update it.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
And can you Google just the error which we had before? But yeah, like I think we need to probably retry to install it again, maybe. Like maybe just let it run, like conda create environment YAML. Like you can, like it's remembering the history. You can add your, like just click on the arrow on your keyboard. Click on the top of.
No, I have the error. It's fine.
No, like I mean, like running PyPSA-Africa in the background, maybe.
Can you check if? Can you try to do conda activate PyPSA-Africa?
Oh yeah, that could work as well.
But do I need to take something again from here? No.
No, try to do conda activate PyPSA-Africa. Because if it is not installed, it's a bit annoying. So try to do conda install pillow. Wait, let's first check what was the one that failed.
You need the error? The error is basically...
Yeah.
Let me paste it here. That was the error.
Pillow. Okay. Try to do conda remove pillow and then conda install pillow. But and before go ahead. But before pushing yes, let's check what happens.
Okay, but do I have to have it? Is it written differently or something? Okay. Not found.
Okay. What? They try to do conda.
Should we install it?
Ah, sorry.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Try to. What I feel. Try to install it. Conda install pillow.
Okay. Yes or no? The following new packages will be installed.
Good luck.
Wait. Push no. And do conda list. It's empty. It has not been installed. So do conda activate base, and we need to do the
Or conda deactivate.
yeah. Conda and remove. We need to delete the environment.
With an S, right?
Without. PyPSA-Africa. Ooh, I have no idea what's going to happen.
Fine.
Okay.
I think it's minus name and then PyPSA-Africa.
No, it's
like remove.
Yeah, and then minus.
Minus name and then
name. True, you're right.
You mean name? Like name or my
like full name? Yeah, and then empty space and PyPSA-Africa. Yeah, the coding stuff can be confusing. Which name?
Yeah, but maybe my username.
Also, I think that, so what you'll do now is try to manually go into the Anaconda folder and delete the folder related to, that one. There should be somewhere, the packages, the acronym PKGS. Yeah, here look for pillow. And Max, this is the folder I was referring to with all the installers. And delete pillow.
There are two actually. There's 8.2.
It was the 9.1 that was the problem. Just download that, delete that one. Awesome. And then we should do the same conda env create f blah blah blah. If you push with the arrow, if you go up, up.
Like push on the arrow, like the upper arrow. Up. No.
No. With the keyboard.
On the keyboard.
Up. Till you find conda env install.
Yeah.
Eccolo. Below, down. Oh yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, are you sure?
Yeah. Click.
Okay.
And now Windows crash.
No, it already exists.
It didn't
That's
remove.
weird.
It didn't remove the PyPSA-Africa stuff.
And so another trick, yeah.
Because we didn't remove it, we just deactivated it.
But we did the command
Conda remove?
conda remove -n, and then use
PyPSA-Africa.
PyPSA-Africa, yeah.
Try to do conda and the list.
So it is moved.
Another trick, go back into the folder of Anaconda. Go manually into the envs. Yeah.
No, like you want to open it or should I divert from here?
No, I'll keep it here. Just manually. Yeah. Back and envs. Delete PyPSA-Africa.
Like that's a Windows issue.
Very sneaky.
It has never happened to me actually, but yeah. And try to do that again.
Arrow,
Alright,
up.
created, right? Now we're just creating it again.
Yeah.
Okay. But is it gonna install everything from the beginning?
And by the way, like, but it should be faster now.
Yeah.
Hopefully.